welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make Bionicos. And in case you don't know what Bionicos are a combination of fresh fruit drizzled with sweet cream and topped with granola, shredded coconut, and pecans. So in case you guys want to know how I make this easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so for this recipe you're welcome to use any of your favorite fresh fruits or whatever's in season. So here I have my strawberries because you can never go wrong with strawberries. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to use a half of a cantaloupe, a half of pineapple, 3 kiwis, 2 apples, 2 mangoes, 1 small papaya, 2 bananas, 5 strawberries, a half a cup of vanilla yogurt, a half a cup of Mexican sour cream, a half a cup of condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of Mexican vanilla blend. You're also going to need some granola, some coconut flakes, and some pecans. Now these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by cutting our fruit into small bite-sized pieces. So I'm just going to take out all the seeds. Okay, so once you have all your fruit in one bowl, we're going to mix it just so that all of our fruits are mixed together. And like that when we serve it, you know, we get a little bit of everything. My kids would just eat it like this. Oops. All right, so once we have our fruit mixed, we're going to start working on our cremas. All right guys, so in a bowl, we're going to add half of the condensed milk. It's half a cup. So I'm just gonna use my my measuring cup, but it's half of a can. And then half a cup of vanilla yogurt. And then half a cup of the Mexican sour cream. And we're also going to add 1 teaspoon of Mexican vanilla blend. Now you don't have to add it if you don't want your crema to be sweet, but for me it's a must. Now we're just gonna mix it and combine all of our cremas together in your yogurt. So just mix it. And this is it. So now we're just going to serve it. All right, so in a bowl, I'm just going to add my cream. I'm gonna add a little bit of cream, and then I'm gonna add my fruit. Some color. Okay, so now I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of the cream. My mouth is all watery. And then top it off with some coconut some granola. Or you can even add raisins if you wanna, you know, add some raisins like that. And some pecans. Let me crush them. I love pecans, so. And that's basically it. This is your Bionico. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. This is seriously delicious for breakfast, as a snack, or just at any time you know of the day. It's seriously delicious, you guys. You guys need to try it. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. Super easy and delicious Bionicos. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you give this recipe a try, please don't forget to send me your pictures through Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye. You guys are still here? Well, make sure you guys click right here so you guys can watch my previous video. And if you haven't already, make sure you click down on my face so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys at my next video.